In this video I'm going to show you how we're going to edit this home page. So again, we're going to head over to the back end of the website, to our dashboard. We're going to go to Appearance, scroll down to Theme Options, and we're going to click on Home Page, and this is where we start inputting all the text here. So totally free. Create your first website. And then in here I'm going to put free video tutorial. This shows you how I created this website and how you can follow along watching over my shoulder as you build your site. Okay, then the call to action. So the call to action will be this button here, and we're going to have that. So this will be the page or the link that it goes to. So we're going to put / get started for free. So this, now the fact that I've just put / means that it will be, if you look up here, it will be $12business.com / get started for free, which if I click on this tab here, this will be the link. So I don't actually need to put the full website in. I can just put / get started for free, and it will stay on the site and go there. And I'm going to put get started now. There's the button text. And we scroll down and we'll save options. We'll head back over, go to the home page, and if I click refresh, you can see they're totally free. Create your first website, and we'll just click on this button here now, and this is taken to our get started for free page. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually insert an image, or I'm actually going to install a video, embed a video in here. So we head back over to our dashboard, go home page, now this area here is where the actual current image is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to YouTube, and this is the website, my website, explaining the $12 business model, and we click on share and embed. Now we show more, we can actually edit the size of the video. Now you can see currently it's 640 by 480. If we head back over here, now to find out what size this image here is, If it was 640, it'd be over here somewhere. So if I right click in this image here and go to view image info, you can see here the dimensions are 440 by 400, scale to 389 by 354. So 389 by 354 is the size that I want to have this video. Custom size. I'm going to go to 389 by 354. Now actually you can see because of the aspect ratio, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put 400 in here, and I'm going to let this do the size so that we get the proper aspect ratio. And now all I'm going to do is get this code here, copy, head back over to our dashboard, paste that in there, click save options. Now if I go back over here, I don't know whether you'd have noticed that I actually made a mistake there, and it was actually on visual. Because this is HTML code, I need to cut that out and make sure it's on text, and paste that back in there and save options. So now when we go back over to here and we click refresh, and here's our video in here. Excellent. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how we alter these three widget areas here. So we're going to go back over to theme options, just click on dashboard, go to appearance, widgets, now if you look here, what you'll actually see is home widget 1, home widget 2 and 3, home widget 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to show you how we can edit each of these. So how widgets work are, when you want to put some information inside a widget, each of these is what you could put. So for example, we could put, if we drag the calendar down into there, click save, and we come over here and click refresh, you can see our calendar is now being put in there. So this is how the widget works. So we'll just drag that back out over into there. That's fine. This is now empty. And what I want to do is I'm going to go over to plugins, and I'm going to show you, normally if we put a text in there, if we want to put any sort of information in here, we've got no way of editing it like the WYSIWYG editor. So I'm going to show you how we can just edit this by getting a plugin that we put in there. So we're going to go over to plugins, and we're going to add new, and we're going to do a search here. Now if you just type in Black Studio, we're going to put this widget here, or this plugin, sorry, in. activate plugin. Now when we go back over to our widgets, you'll see now that we've got a visual editor. So just dismiss that. So we're going to put that into home widget 1. There we go. So let's head over to dry icons, and I'm going to do a search for socialize, and if we scroll down, you'll see there's actually 5 packages of the socialize set. I'm just going to go to this one here so I can start putting some of these images in here. So if we click on that and then you click download, so we'll download that, and then when they're downloaded, these are the images that we're going to put in. So when we come back over to our dashboard, I'm going to add media, upload files, socialize, PNG, so it's always transparent. We'll go for 48 by 48, and I'm going to put Twitter in there. Now we're going to keep it left. We're going to go to media file and we're going to put custom URL, and in here we're going to go to twitter.com/ save, and when we come back over to our site, click refresh, you can see how we've now got that in there with Twitter. We'll edit these two now. So click save, click close, and we go to widget 2, and they're going to drag the visual editor into here. I'm going to add media first, and we'll go to keep it left, custom URL, facebook.com/ freeing slaves, and we'll save that, close, we'll go into home widget 3 and we'll put this visual editor in there. We'll add media and we'll put a custom URL, youtube.com/ freeing slaves. I'll put to my YouTube channel to get the latest videos from me each week as I create them. And we'll save that, close, and we'll head back over to our site and click refresh, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to head back over to this one here and just add a bit more text just so this just drops down and keeps it all uniform. And community. Okay. See how that looks. Lovely. Okay, so now we've changed the home page. That concludes this video.